November edition of Drone News Express, featuring 20 key updates on major industry news, defense developments, and emerging UAV technologies. I'm Paulamy, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Let's start this month's news with the highlights of latest contract wins. The Indian Army has awarded IdeaForge Technology Limited a 1 billion contract for its new Zolt tactical UAV and Switch 2 VTOL UAV. Zen Technologies Limited has received two Ministry of Defence contracts worth Rs 289 crore to upgrade its rapid anti-drone systems within a year. Inside FPV has received a Rs 10 crore emergency procurement order for the Indian Army to deliver advanced kamikaze drones within 2 months. Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited has received Ministry of Defence orders worth Rs 35.68 crore for portable counter-drone systems, while its subsidiary secured an additional Rs 3.95 crore contract for integrated RF drone detection and jamming systems, with deliveries due by May 2026. Rotor Group of Companies has received a new Survey of India order for its type-certified Trinity UAV. India is set to induct 16 indigenous drone detection and interdiction systems capable of neutralizing hostile UAVs at 2 km with a 10 kilowatt laser as the Defence Ministry moves to clear the enhanced Mark II variant offering nearly double the engagement range. The Indian Air Force has outlined major capability expansions, projecting a need for 800 medium-range swarm unmanned munition systems with autonomous target engagement, while simultaneously initiating the development of 500 kg class fixed-wing VTOL cargo drones for remote logistics, with industry participation sought for prototypes within the next 2 to 3 years. The Indian Army advanced its multi-domain readiness with the Vayu Samanvaya 2 drone and counter-drone drill in the desert sector. Preparations for the Tree Service Purvi Prachand Prahar exercise in Arunachal Pradesh, the demonstration of a DRDO-developed handheld directed energy weapon, and a comprehensive review of combat and drone preparedness by Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi during his visit to Kharg Corps. Fuselage Innovations has received a ₹1 crore grant under the USHUS Maritime Innovation Support Program by IIMK Live and Cochin Shipyard Limited to advance its launch and recovery systems. The Delhi edition of Drone Udyog Sahyog, organized by the Drone Federation of India, brought together leading drone manufacturers, component suppliers, and ecosystem partners to advance collaboration and strengthen India's domestic drone supply chain. Sarla Aviation has partnered with the government of Andhra Pradesh to set up a 500-acre Sky Factory, a major eVTOL and aircraft systems manufacturing campus within an investment of 1,300 crore over 10 years and an eventual annual capacity of up to 1,000 aircraft. The Border Security Force has launched its first all-women drone unit, the Durga Drone Squadron, at Gwalior School of Drone Warfare to enhance surveillance and security in sensitive border areas. The Border Security Force has intercepted 255 Pakistan-origin drones used for smuggling heroin and weapons into India this year, intensifying surveillance and monitoring ahead for the fog season. Major Indian airports, including Delhi and Mumbai, are set to be equipped with anti-drone systems under a Ministry of Home Affairs-led security initiative, with specifications being finalized before procurement. IIT Kanpur startup View Dynamics unveils VU60 FW tactical ISR drone, while Solar Defense enters India's medium-altitude long-endurance UAV tender for 87 systems. Arunachal Pradesh inaugurated a state-of-the-art drone port in Roing, Lower Dibang Valley, to enhance UAV operations for scientific planning, real-time monitoring, and data-driven decision-making. The Indian Navy's Naval Collaborative Combat Air Vehicle program is set to advance with the Abhimanyu Loyal Wingman drone by New Space Research and Technologies, aiming for first flight and operational induction by 2026. India's Whale L&T AMC consortium adopts a lean capex approach, investing 100 to 200 crore in prototype development while focusing on digital manufacturing and precision-led indigenous R&D. Indrijal has unveiled India's AI-enabled anti-drone patrol vehicle, a 4x4 mobile system capable of detecting drones up to 10 km away and neutralizing threats within 4 km in real time. Chandigarh administration completes drone survey under Naksha project, generating high-resolution digital-based maps for 15 urban sectors and 5 villages to enhance property record transparency. Larsen & Toubro and General Atomics Aeronautical Systems have partnered to manufacture combat-proven MALE RPAS in India, combining GAASI's UAS expertise with L&T's engineering and system integration capabilities. AccessK Technologies signs MOU with Electronic Bird Control for Falcon-inspired UAVs to mitigate bird hazards, and with Francis Silas to co-develop laser-based systems for counter-drone defense in India. Bengaluru-based Prime Toolings advances India's self-reliance in aerospace and defense by developing indigenous missile solid boosters and liquid engines under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. ISRO and the Central Plantation Crops Research Institute have launched a drone-based survey across 2.5 square kilometer in Sulia Taluk, Dakshin Kannada, to map the spread of yellow leaf disease in arecanut plantations. We hope that you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for more such amazing updates about drones from all over the world, keep watching Drone Helpline.